In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a PayPal subscription as a seller. If you offer subscriptions or recurring payments through PayPal and need to stop one, the process is actually very straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go inside your PayPal account so you can manage the subscriptions you offer to your customers and cancel them when needed. To begin, log into your PayPal account and look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon, which is the settings area. Go ahead and click that icon. This is where PayPal keeps many of the account options related to how your seller profile and payment tools are configured. Once you're in the settings section, look for the tab called Seller Tools and open it. This area is especially important for business users and sellers because it contains the features related to how you accept payments, manage selling preferences, and control recurring billing tools. Inside the Seller Tools section, find the option labeled Automatic Payments. Click into that. This is the section where PayPal allows you to review and manage automatic payments and subscriptions connected to your account. If you've set up recurring charges for customers, this is the place where those arrangements are usually handled. From here, you'll be able to manage the automatic payments and subscriptions that you offer to your customers. Take a moment to review the available entries carefully so you select the correct subscription before making any changes. This is especially helpful if you manage more than one recurring payment setup. If your goal is to stop a subscription, this is also where you can cancel it. Once you locate the subscription you want to end, use the cancellation option provided in that section. After that, PayPal should update the status accordingly. It's always a good idea to double-check that the cancellation has gone through successfully, just to avoid any confusion or unexpected future charges. One quick tip. Before cancelling, make sure you're selecting the right subscription, especially if you have multiple customers or recurring plans. Cancelling the wrong one could interrupt an active billing arrangement unintentionally. Also, if needed, you may want to keep your own records of the change for reference. And that's it. That's how you cancel a PayPal subscription as a seller. Once you know where the settings are, the process only takes a minute. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.